Hey guys, unboxing Four Seasons plants today. So I've ordered two sets of plants. So on Amazon, so they have sent it on Plant Rush. So let me check out how it has arrived actually. It has arrived earlier than they had sent me an expectation date. So we'll see on what is the status of it. Packaging is very sturdy because it is seeming very difficult to unpack. First row. So it's a set of two boxes which was joined together. Each one of them is a plant. So you see this is completely tied up so that they won't move in transit. So I have to cut off these as well. This is the first one, a beautiful Phylodendron Brazil. See the leaf pattern. It has come very healthy. Not a single yellow leaf. This is one of the survivors of the plant in this weather. And I ordered when the rains were just approaching. So this probably came in from Kerala, as per the thing, as per the tracking details. So this is the second plant. This is also similarly packed. There is one leaf that has fallen. It's completely okay. This is the Philodendron Micans. They have a velvety leaf. I love these plants. There was just one dried leaf. That's it. And there's no other yellow leaves at all. So it has completely survived the transit and there's a lot of stems coming out. I think I'm very happy with this purchase. And this is from Four Seasons. So yeah, these are the two plants that I bought. Hi everyone, so this is after I think this was the Four Seasons order that I unboxed in the previous section of this video. This is about 18 days later on the state of the plant. I also do a review after a few days because sometimes plants do die in transit shock and whatever. So what I did was I waited for a few days to see what's going on with the plant. I did lose some leaves, that is true, due to the transit shock, but I wanted to show you the status after that and on how it grew post it. So the two plants that I bought was Micans and Brazil Philodendron from Four Seasons. The price was around 735 for both these plants, and I ordered on 14 June and received that on 22nd June. This was placed by Amazon on the Amazon platform, and I guess I'll show you. So I have fixed one of the branches with a pin in the soil to give it more support. So this is the branch. I think they've given me two branches. You can see that two branches of Philodendron Brazil. So in one of these branches it has grown very profusely. The other one, I think it's growing a little bit slowly, but yeah, it's also there. So this is pretty much this section on Brazil Philodendron. One of the leaves were torn, yes, this was torn in transit, but these are the new leaves. So they have just, see, this is the newer leaf that is doing so well, and it's growing more. The Micans, on the other hand, is also doing very well. You can, I don't know if you can see it. You see how many branches there are? There are about 2 to 3 branches inside this. Each and every branch, so one of the branches have grown really tall, so I was not able to, so this stick support that is done, it's by me, because I've tied it up together to stake it up kind of, yeah, this has grown tremendously in the last 2 weeks, so much that I had to tie it up with a rod to kind of support it. You see at least 2 of the branches is visible here, and yeah, if you see, the third branch is visible here, the growing point, and I think there were more branches, but it's kind of hidden inside. So you can at least see 3 branches, right? 3 very prominent branches which is growing profusely. So individually this is the size of the plant that you get. See, velvety leaves. I was really happy with this plant purchase. This also, Brazil Philodendron, is one of my favorites. Compared to other shops that I've bought, even in local nurseries, the leaf size is much larger than any other place that I've bought into. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this helps you in making a decision of whether or not to purchase this plant. I was really happy. The value for money is good, and it reached on time. The delivery was good, and the plant has done well so far. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe. I'll be posting a series of videos on plant related adventures that I'm having these days during the pandemic. Subscribe to get notifications on those. Thanks.